As a cat owner, you should never force your cat to snuggle or spend time with you if it does not want to. Cats tend to be quite reserved, and they don't like being overwhelmed with attention. Many cats enjoy alone time and prefer to be left unbothered when sleeping or resting. To create and maintain a positive relationship with your cat, it is crucial to respect its boundaries and not force attention. If your cat is tense, shrinking down, or running away when you try to pet it, it does not want to be touched. There are plenty of other ways to show your love and affection for your cat without disturbing its personal space. If you provide your cat with food, water, safety, and most importantly respect, it is much more likely to be receptive and appreciative.